Hello everyone and welcome to EnglishLogica. In this video, we'll look at the phrasal verb splash out. A meaning of the phrasal verb splash out is to spend a lot of money. I've been feeling a bit down lately, so I'm going to splash out on a holiday and enjoy myself. My wife loves splashing out on clothes every month, but now we have no money left. We have awarded a bonus to all of our employees so they can splash out on something nice as a reward for all their hard work on this account. I'm glad we splashed out when we invested in our computer systems. These are so user-friendly. So let's look back on what we covered. Splash out can mean to spend a lot of money. Hey, look, Dad must have splashed out on a new car. We hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to ask.